Greetings bakers, welcome to Bree's Food and Fun, and today we'll be making these homemade potato chips. So to begin, peel 4 yellow potatoes. If you desire, you can use 2 russet potatoes instead. And cut your potatoes in half or more pieces depending on the size of your potatoes. Now cut them into thin slices. I'm using this mandolin. So basically I place 1 potato half into this holding tool and rubbed it back and forth along the surface of the mandolin with the standard straight blade attached. Once that's done, transfer your potato slices into some ice water and rub it in. This helps to remove the starch, which results in crispier chips. Here I am switching from the straight blade to the wavy serrated blade. This will result in wavy chips. And just repeating the process of sticking the halves into the holding tool and rubbing back and forth across the blade. Here's what the chips look like, so really wavy. And I just continued the process using the rest of the potato halves until I was done. And then I transferred this portion of sliced potatoes into the bowl of icy water and rubbed it in thoroughly. And then I let it sit for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, pour out your potatoes. Here I am pouring it into a bowl with a colander. Here I am shaking the colander so that the water falls out the bottom. Once that's done, transfer your potatoes to a bowl and pour in enough hot water to cover the potatoes. I believe I used a quart of water or 4 cups, and let that sit for 5 minutes. Then drain out the water. Again, same system, colander in a bowl. Draining out the water from the colander and the potatoes, shaking it. Once you're done, set it aside. Get a baking sheet, line it with napkin, and line your napkin with your potato slices. We do this in order to dry the potatoes for maximum crispiness. Once you're done lining it with napkin, take more napkin and dry the surface of the potato chips. Now transfer to a separate dry bowl and repeat. Once you've dried all your chips, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your chips, along with 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix it in. Because I used 2 different blades, I separated these shapes into 2 bowls and added 1 tablespoon of olive oil to each bowl and half a teaspoon of salt to each, and massaged the ingredients in. Once that's done, I layered them onto a baking sheet and air fried them at 325 for 5 to 10 minutes, but keep an eye on yours and adjust the time and temperature for your air fryer or oven. These are the regular potato chips, and then I repeated this step with the wavy chips, and this is the result of the wavy chips. So after all is said and done, this is the result of all of the chips. They came out very crispy and delicious. I definitely recommend trying this recipe rather than buying store-bought. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy your day!